With today's environmental challenges and the price of plastic raw material, it is essential to recycle as much plastic as possible. De-dusting is the industrial cleaning of granulates, generally using some form of pneumatic separation system. Dust is the most common fine impurity which attaches to pellets or granules, and de-dusting involves separating dust from reprocessed materials. Separation also encompasses the removal of light impurities. This is done to improve the overall material quality and value, as well as to maximize production efficiency. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Kia Aspirator system. The material enters the Kia via a gravity feed pipe into the main body, where the material meets an upward flowing airstream. The dust is removed and evacuated to the dust cyclone. The usable pellets fall through the bottom outlet of the aspirator. The Kia has become a benchmark in reprocessing of PET plastic bottles. Many companies worldwide use it as their preferred method of removing label fragments after initial size reduction. Components for de-dusting systems include aspirators, cyclones, and piping.
Here we have the Kia Aspirator. Here we have a special setup. We have an inlet where we can feed in the material to a multi-evacuator on top, underneath a rotary valve, then to the inlet of the Kia. Here we have the aspirator itself with a rotary distributor. On top of this we have a blower, and here we have the possibility to do the adjustment of the rotary table or distributor. So we'll have the good material out here, and then we'll have the dust and bad material out and into the cyclone, where we'll have the heavier dust into this bin, and then we'll have the dust material out into our filters. The adjustment of this is done by our control panel, where we have the possibility to set the rotor and the blower speed from 0 to 100%. Here we have two control panels, one for the Kia and one for the special setup of the multi-evacuator and the rotary valve underneath. We will now start it and we'll make it separation so you can see what kind of impact does it have if we change the speed of the rotor or the blower on top. We'll start and it will be a little noisy. Here we have a separation where we can see some light particles that we would like to have, like this gray one here. Oops, like this gray one here. This one should be in our dust bin in the other side, so that means we have to change the speed of the blower. And I will try to change it so we will have these light gray particles in our dust bin. So right now it's not good enough, so we will change the blower setting from 300 to 600. So now we have a different fraction, and as you may see, we don't have any, we have gray particles, but these gray particles are heavy plastics, which we would like to have as good material, and this is something that can be reused in the melting process. And here from the dust separation we now can see these light gray particles that we had in the good separation before. So now we have what is not good in the not good separation. We are available for test of your material here in Denmark in our test facilities, so please contact your local dealer.